matrix in. And if you have them all in there, next time you come across this section, you'll see how great it can be. So A, B, C, and D. So A is a 2 by 2, so you got to make that happen. Okay. Once you do it, it's best to go second quit for each matrix. Then go back. You're going to edit now, but you're going to edit matrix B. Okay? So press enter on B, and then also put the dimensions in. Once you have it, second quit, please. Going back. We're going to edit matrix C this time. So you go over to edit, choose your matrix, which will do C, 3 by 3. Make sure you press enter on that last entry or it might not show up. Second quit. One more is matrix D. So go back. Two by 3. And also second quit. Okay, is everybody in? And as long as you put those in correctly, you just look at your sheet. Second matrix, matrix B, plus second matrix, matrix A, enter. There's your answer. Okay? Second quit. The next, number 6, a little more interesting, -3. I'm sorry, second quit. Or clear the screen, I'm sorry. You always want to start with a fresh screen. So second quit didn't work there. -3. And then since you're multiplying, you just have to bring it up. Or you can press times, it doesn't matter. Some people might want to press times just to be sure. -3 times matrix D. Plus 2 times matrix A. Enter. That one had no solution, right? So that's what you would see if there's no solution. And it tells you why. There's a mismatch in dimensions. It's not set up to work. 1/2 C. Clear? You can do 1/2 or 0.5, it doesn't matter. Times matrix C. Everybody falling in love with this yet? There's your answers. Now get that on your screen, please. You should not have decimals. You don't need decimals. What should I hit here? Math fraction. Do that. Okay, pasa amigo. There you go. Sometimes there's more than your dimensions are so large it won't show up. So if you need to see more of it, you write down what you have and an arrow to the right. You'll see the rest of it. Let's just do one more, D times C. All right, clear? There you go. Everybody comfortable with that? Okay. Matrix C is, well, they're all in there, right? Let's find the inverse of each. Everybody ready? Clear? We're not, let's find the matrix, the inverse of A first. So what you do is you get A on your screen. You see your inverse button right here?
Where?
That's inverse notation, right? Right here.
Okay.
They'll give it to you. Oh, do we like that answer?
Nope.
Come on, say,
Oh, what's that?
a little math, frack. Much better answer. Isn't that nice? Matrices are designed to be computer program stuff anyhow, so it's really nice to practice using the calculator with these, especially solving the systems. That was really the best thing, right, so far. But finding the inverse of a 3 by 3, or even the, we never even did the inverse of a 3 by 3. That's extremely long. Let's find the determinant of C, everybody. That took a while. My bad. You gotta go to math. We want the determinant. Everybody see it? So matrix math, and then whichever one we wanted, we're gonna pick C this time, because that's the longest process. It's good to get in the habit of closing things off. Determinant of matrix C, there it is. Yes, ma'am. Anybody else get negative 37? You might check, press matrix C again, edit, and see if you put the correct numbers in. Did everybody else get this? So that. All right, so you know, remember how long it took to find the determinant? Okay, the inverse is even longer on a 3 by 3. We may do it someday, I'm not sure. Let's just find the inverse. It's going to take all day. Oh, press that button, press enter. Oh, we don't like that. Now, see what I mean by not, you see those dot, dot, dots? Everybody see them?
Mm-hmm.
So what you do is you write down this answer, then arrow to the right. And they would all come into play. Any questions? Yes, ma'am.
Is the determinant under math because for some reason I
Yeah, matrix math. Matrix first and then go to the matrix.
Oh.
All right. Now, we used our calculator to solve the 3 by 3s, correct? But I wanted the 2 by 2s by hand. You remember how long that took? Let's do 1 2 by 2 using the calculator. Everybody ready? So let's do number 1 because a lot of people missed it. Second matrix. Edit. Enter. We'll edit matrix A. So now it has to be a 2 by 3, right? So go ahead and start putting it in. Oh, thanks. Now this is where you need to hit second quit, or it gets all messed up. Okay. Now even if it's a 3 by or 2 by 3 instead of a 3 by 4, you still do the same place, RREF. Row reduction echelon form, that's what that's called. Gotta go to math. You could actually do all of this by hand, but we solved by hand, so I think that was enough for us. Make sure you get to RREF, enter, back to matrix. I did A, enter, there's your solution. Somebody might say, what the? Looks weird to me. Okay, possibly neither. Now don't forget, this 1 0, that's your identity matrix. So that's the one row reduction echelon form. You would do a lot of work until all of that came up. Okay, Actually, the systems of equations we solved for, that was interesting and fun and nice and wonderful. This is even better. But for now, there's our answers for number 1. So matrix, calculators go together real well. It's more fun to start by hand, right? Okay, any questions? Okay, those are yours to keep.